Alright guys, he gonna demonstrate again how he puts these covers for the tables, chairs.
You think you slide. Okay, right. Like now, yeah. See, now, when you see it's line up, or like this, go on the back.
Going back.
You see the pockets? You have to in the pockets. Sometimes you have to open it because it's kind of funny here. Why should go easily like that? You see? But this is broke again. It's same problem. Same problem as the other one, so we're gonna do like that. It should be like that, you see? You just go like that, and it will hold. This is the way it should be. Sometimes already broke just by hiccup. At the time I could use it, it happens. As you can see now.
That's it.
See, I got this. Same thing, I got pockets here. So, all I gotta do is stick this hole here. Okay. Try to open it. That's here. You see?
That's it.
We hold, do the same thing here. In the hole here. Do it like that. And you got it. Nice chair. Perfect. All you gotta do is put the ribbon. Ready.
The ribbon like that.
You know how long it took?
That's it.
Patience. Patience.
That's it, guys. All right. Let me see what how they got the front. I'm gonna let this young fella finish doing the chairs.
Four more.